Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we're doing an experiment on rust removal. I will be using vinegar and CRC rust converter. The guinea pigs are this old gun and a few railroad spikes. The barrel of the gun will not latch in place because the mechanism is rusted solid. I put the gun in a small container of vinegar. I let the part soak for about 36 hours. I'm impressed how well this worked. It cleaned the dirt off and most of the rust. The barrel was worse than the other piece, and it turned out good also. This is what it looks like right out of the vinegar. I didn't even wipe it down yet. It looks good. It's cleaning up good with a rag. I think this process is going to work.
This little piece is freed up now. See how it's moving? And this is moving now, and that wasn't moving before. It's not moving. Look, there you go. Now we gotta get that released. Ah, look at that. Hey Rich, the vinegar trick seemed to work.
Next up are the railroad spikes. On the left is vinegar, on the right is rust converter. I'm going to be using these in a future project. I grabbed the first spike and I'm not impressed. It doesn't look like it did anything. Let's see if the other spike is any better. Looks the same to me. Oh, wait a minute. I need to clean it off. This is looking pretty good. I wipe it down with a dry rag. This cleaned up nicely. Next is the spike that was soaked in rust converter. What a mess. The spike looks the same to me, except for shinier. The finish looks like someone took spray paint and sprayed over the rust. It looks like the rust is still there. It's just a harder finish than it was before. I guess that's what the converter is supposed to do. That's not the kind of finish I'm looking for. I went to the wire wheel to clean up the spikes. First up was the vinegar spike. It cleaned up with very little effort. There wasn't any grinding dust at all. This is the kind of finish I'm looking for. The rust converter spike did have a hard finish. It was a lot harder to remove and it created a lot of dust. I needed to put on a respirator, so I stopped. The finish was not as smooth as the vinegar spike. This is the last experiment. I soak the rust converted spike in the vinegar. Look at that finish. It worked great. It keeps getting better. I take it to the wire wheel and it cleans up just as easy as the first one. Hey Rich, you were right. The vinegar is a clear winner in this experiment. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.